Should I? Oh, Coach Jan! Huh?
Have you got the naughty one?
Of course I am.
I'm more scared of that horse than it's scared of me.
And she's a woman.
I'm terrified.
Sorry.
Oh, it's alright, thank you.
Take care, alright?
Thank you. As I say, you're right, just want to go round the corner.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But whether it does or not, who knows? Don't know. It might not. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Whoa! What up, everybody? It's your guy here, Motorboat. Alex is chatting up the old ladies. But yeah, we're getting ready to go on the nice green lane. See you later, enjoy your day. Yeah. So Alex was just chatting up the old ladies. They turned him down. Yeah. Alright, well up everybody. Here she go, Motorboat. We're out on another little ride. We found an absolute beauty of a lane. We're going to go and rag down right now. Yeah.
Don't look at my bike, I haven't even washed it from the last.
Alex is dirty, yeah. Let's hope everything's still plugged in. Yep. All good. You ready, Al? Yeah, I'm happy. Quite a journey to get here. We're in, where are we? I cannot pronounce it. Huh? Alfriston, yeah. Yeah. The old coach road is what it's called. So we're doing the 2025 version of it because there's a lot of old videos on YouTube. And we're going to love it.
Yeah, they are old, aren't they?
Yeah, all of them are. Yeah. So, let's get to it. I need a wee.
He just followed himself all the way here.
Yeah, just from one picture. I'm the Geo guy. I'm the Geo guy. No, I'm not. Look! I'm waving at him. Yeah. Sunny, mate. This is going to be sick, bro. Right, so hopefully everyone's doing fantastic and amazing. Yeah, we are. Living the life of luxury. Straight. Who's going first? Well, I'm leading. So yeah, we're going up the old coach road. Pooh! Yeah, so like I said, hopefully everyone's doing fantastic and amazing. We ain't going to run out of battery because we've got the old power bank plugged in. We just see someone go along there on the KTM, brother. So this is the start of the lane. It's called the old coach lane. This should be sick. I'm not ragging it. I don't want to rag it. I just want to enjoy this ride. We're going to enjoy it. I'm excited, man, innit? Proper excited. I'm hyped up then. Sorry, thank you. Yeah, man, so we love it. Like I said, hopefully everyone's doing fantastic and amazing. And I'm not too sure which way to go or which way it is we've got to go. Yeah. But this goes on for quite a while, you know. It's got to be straightforwards. I don't know. We'll go that way. So we're going this way. So yeah, you beautiful people, look at this view. I thought my bike was going to die then. You wouldn't want to die here. No, you wouldn't want to die here. Look at this view though, we're bringing you some nice off-roading videos now. Come on, Enduro. We love it. Yeah, we love it, man. Beautiful. Roast Alex with some stones. Horse poo, yeah. So like I said, it's not about going fast, it's just about your bike squeaking. I don't know why. Much easier on this. Yeah, so like I said, let's enjoy the green lane. Not too sure where the hell we got to go, which way we got to go. There's like multiple ways. What way? What way?
Well, I'll see if we're on the right track. I have a feeling it was that one that went forward.
It's beautiful here.
Yeah, we've gone the wrong way. It's that one that went straight down.
Well, where's this leads us to? Well, we better go the right way, haven't we?
Go back that way and it's straight ahead.
Yeah, but I'll follow you. I'll follow you then. Still nice down here. I've got to make sure I'm in neutral. Oh! So, yeah, we went the wrong way, you beautiful people. Alex has stalled his bike. This is not where we want to die. I always feel like my bike's gonna die, but whether it does or not, who knows? Don't know. It might not. That was a big old drop. That was Jankum's drop. Alex has got to go first because he knows which way. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so like I said, you beautiful people, we love it, we love it. My bike's squeaking again, as usual. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Wow, you beautiful people, he's following me. So what, that way or that way? This way. This is like proper trails, like the trail runs where they go through the woods and they have to follow the arrows. You follow the red ones for the bad line, you follow the green ones for like the easiest line, and the orange ones for like the intermediate line. But we're going down the hard line. No, it's not such a thing. We're just, yeah, that's just where we're allowed to go. It's just, so like I said, we're just chilling. Smashing it up the hill. Yeah. Look, we got a big Converse harvester. I've got a bear dude. What? Straight past there, yeah? I've got a bear dude come on. Look at that big bad boy. It's nice and dry. I don't like this squeaking on my bike though, man. We're gonna go in neutral. Wow, look at the rats on this. I don't know where I died. Bruv, the gears feel fucking shit. Here we go, fun begins. It didn't sound good, bruv. When I was coming down here.
What didn't sound good?
My bike.
Why?
Don't know, it just didn't. Got fuel. Oh, we're in neutral, aren't we? No. Now we're in neutral. There we go. Ride it till it blows! Them logs put me off, mate. Scared me. So this is meant to be the old coach road, but I don't see how no fucking coach went along here, man. I just feel like my bike's running like poop, man. It was running amazing yesterday. I told you as soon as I get along the lane, it would die. It's squeaking, it's dying. You know, we're good. We're all good. Yeah, but I shouldn't really be ragging it because I don't quite know where I am or which way to go. Where? But we're going this way. Look at these beautiful views though, guys. It's amazing. Sorry if I'm talking much. The bumps. I'm paranoid about my bike, that it's gonna break. But we'll be alright. We've got people up ahead. The squeaking seems to just getting progressively louder. Look at it down there. I want to get down that. I want to go down there. I can understand the old people walking and that, but yeah, I don't want to get moany. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just looking around like, where can we go? Which path should we go up? Yeah, I don't know why. I'm feeling paranoid. I'm paranoid. Yeah, you beautiful people. I wanted to find some animals today as well. Yeah, this is beautiful, mate. I hope you're getting a nice old view and shape. And I start ragging it. Towards the shape. What's this little path here? There's like a little separate path up there. It's like a little hidden one. We'll carry on going up here, but if there's a dead end stoppage, we're going to have to turn around and explore more. Because this isn't an F. Yeah. I can hear Alex ragging up behind me. Oosh. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going this way. I could have went that way, but we're going this way. There's a tractor in the field. We're going down here. Never mind. Tractor. There's just all sorts of equipment. Cows. It smells like cows. Whether I've gone off the beaten path, who knows? But we're freaking riding. We're ragging it up here, brother. Through the poo. Yeah, we're meant to be enduroing it. I'm just blitzing it through it. I'm not really talking, I'm not really saying much. We're just enjoying the views and that. My hand hurts, my bike's squeaking. This is all happy days, mate. Very bumpy here. Look at this house, wow. Look at this guy. You're doing a lovely job. You're doing a lovely job. Straight across, past the farmer. Don't chase us. I'd love to be able to get up to the top of that hill, you know. I'm just blitzing it now, boy. Keep up with me, Al. You can't. You're slow. Oh, we got horse riders. Oh no! What? Wait for what? Oh, I don't know.
I think our horse is freaking out.
Dog's gonna come and eat us. You're scaring my horse, buddy! What? They are privileged, didn't they?
They are so entitled.
Yeah, they do. They feel like, yes, yes, yes. We get moaned at though because we're on their territory now, aren't we? No, I wouldn't go in that. Well, when it's wet, it'd be a good place to get some shorts out.
Yeah, I was thinking down there, I just want a picture, man.
Yeah,
Look how beautiful it is. Even get a picture of it.
yeah. Park my bike sideways. You want it this way, bruv. Why is that so hard to push, bruv? Do you take the drone up? Picture time, yeah. Yeah. I'm going, the drone's going up if ever you like it. Yeah.
Does it block the sun out?
I'll get a good angle for it. Better probably that way. Hang on. No, you're good. I want to get a picture.
We need to drive up there a little bit.
I want to get a picture from this angle. What we should do is turn up bikes more and have that background. No, you want to. They're good here. This is a good spot. You want that background. So you want to like try and turn them like that, and have yours sort of next to it. Nah, turn yours that way. Yeah. Now come back a bit. Bit more, stop. There you go. Perfect, bruv. Now that's going to get a good shot. We're just sitting there, I'm on record, and I didn't realise I'm making a YouTube video about now. Oh, look at that. Nah, this still stays in, it's raw. Look at this, guys. Oh, that is an amazing shot. Well, what are we going to do, Al? Because we've got to carry on. They'll have to. I want to get a quick video. One sec. Stay there, stay there. Yeah, banging, bruv. Right. Let's carry on, bruv. Like I say, this is all legal, it's byways. Yeah. Yeah. It's typical, isn't it? No, this the horses, like I say, you don't want them to fall off or anything, but yeah, my gears just felt a bit clunky, bruv. I'm gonna have to check the oil when I get home. My gears felt clunky. Yeah. Don't know. They better be gone, bruv. Or in a bush. They better be gone, or in a bush. No, we're like I say, we're courteous to horse riders and that. But say you don't want to scare them or have the horse rider get knocked off. Like I say, it's all about working together. Like I said to that girl in my last video. Yeah, man, look at this though, big muddy mud. Beautiful lane, mate, isn't it? Oh, here they are again. No, you're alright.
I don't want you to fall off.
Well, no, wait till it's cooled down, and then we'll just leave it over here. This is gonna make content, mate. They're beautiful. Look at the little dogs, man, running.
Have you got the naughty one?
Of course I am.
I'm more scared of that horse than it's scared of me.
And she's a woman.
I'm terrified.
Sorry.
Oh, it's alright, thank you.
Take care, alright?
Check in. I was just saying, you alright just want to go round the corner?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Cool.
Their horses, I don't know why, they scare me, bruv.
Big boys, isn't they? I wouldn't get on one of them fucking things.
They're small compared to a shy horse.
They're what?
They're small compared to shy horse.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the way it's fucking flicking its tail and shit.
They're rather shit just walking along the road. As it's walking, it rather shit.
I know they keep shitting.
They just
They
shit.
just keep shitting.
Look at this, mate. This is sick old view. Don't know how long the video is going to be today, guys, by the way.
I probably look like a right twat.
Why?
Mugging off horse riders.
No.
Sorry.
What do you mean? Well, how is he mugging them off?
I'm saying they're so entitled.
Yeah, but they are. No, like at the end of the day, some of them are. You're not lying about it. They are. Yeah, like I say, it's like coppers, isn't it? You know, a lot of them just are wankers, but there's an odd one that's all right. You know what I mean? Like I say, there's always one person that ruins it for the rest, isn't it? It only needs to be one person that's an entitled prick, and then that's it. They've given a name for it. Yeah, same for dirt bikes, though, isn't it? You know what I mean? Look at us. We don't take the piss. If we go, well, sometimes we do, but 90% of the time we stick to trails. We don't go across the middle of the field. You know what I mean? Yeah. We're always legit legal. Every video we do, isn't it? Yeah. Go back red bombing it past them. In the last horse video made a fucking commotion.
At least you're nice to them horse riders, then.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube now.
You're on YouTube now. How am I gonna do this, bruv?
Why do you keep fucking doing that?
I'm in a predicament now. I can't get a kick on it. Yeah, I can. Right. We're good. We're off. I hope this ain't the end. We just waited all that time for no reason. I want to get up there. We ain't going to get up there though. Yeah, so this is definitely a different one, man. Usually we do a bit of an early video, but this is a nice late one in the evening, which is amazing. Like I say, we've gone quite far to get to this lane, people. So please like the video. Oh, we've got a junction again. I hate junctions. You know, which way do I go? Where the tractor is? Where the tractor is? By that way? Oh, shush. I don't know. Shush. Little bird! Yeah, people. So like I said, innit, you got to be courteous of other people and stuff. It's all about working around things, isn't it? You know, working together. Whoa, look at the view here. It's beautiful, man. Oh, there's a pail. Alex was like, I'll wear my good trainers, I won't get wet. We can dodge these puddles. We're not going to go through the puddles today, guys. We're going to miss them. Usually I go straight through them, but not today. We'll go through this little one. I'm not getting wet. I'm not getting wet. No, 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 no. If I can help staying dry, I'll stay dry. Yeah. Don't know what's along there, but we're going straight forwards. Hey, beautiful people. So like I said, we love it. We love the old views. I hope you like the old videos and the adventures. The bike squeaking. It's squeaking lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There's a stick in the road, Al. Watch out. Oh dear, we're getting a bit more mud and slush and water. Well, right, go away. What are they cutting down there then? Plenty of places you can go off the beaten track, mate. Plenty. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, as if I'm not going through the freaking cornfield, mate. I'm going through the cornfield, sorry. It's a fucking cornfield, Alex, mate. I'm sorry. It's a freaking cornfield, Al. It's a cornfield! How can you not want to go for a cornfield? That is pheasants! Pheasants! Look at that little castle up there, that's cute. We're in a cornfield! Pheasants! That doesn't sound good.
I think it's my plan.
There's fucking corn everywhere. Huh? There's corn everywhere. Corn for days. Corn, I'm getting corny. Look. No, let's hope not. Look at that little thing up there. Do you want to turn around and go back on the track? Because we're going to end up not knowing where we are, but... Well, we can carry on or we can finish. Bruv, how
does that noise when I pull the clutch?
How can you not want to ride through a cornfield? Hey? How are you going to not ride through a cornfield, Al? You're missing out on great opportunities. Look at the little castle up there, bruv. Can you see the little castle? Huh? The little castle.
What?
The little castle. It's a pheasant. What? A pheasant. I'm going through the cornfield. You bet your ass I am. Fucking run over corn, mate. Fucking amazing. Sorry, Al, I'm just driving through the cornfield. Good? Oh, it is so. Bang it. Bit of corn. Oh. I'm worried that the mic's coming out, but it's not going to puddles. That was so fun. I've never had so much fun riding through corn in my life, because I've never done it in my life, so that was the first time. Like I said, it's corn, mate. How are you going to come and turn that opportunity off? Whatever that's made it into. Why are we people? paddle, paddle, one go, paddle. My foot hurts from getting snapped by corn. I've said corn so much. I love saying corn. This is corny. Corny. My house. What's in the barn? What's in the barn? Which way? Where we're going? Whee! Poor old Al's not enjoying this. His bike's making weird noises. So fine though, but like I say, Al, when you watch this video, you just got to go with it, mate, innit? How many times my bike sounds like it's going to blow up? You just ride till it breaks. You're not going to know until it breaks, you know? That's it. Where I am, we're going up this way now. This is evening ride back. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. We're having so much fun. The people here. Let's go nice and fly. Thank you. Thank you. We've got them all. There's so many of them. Thank you. Thank you. Along here, this is definitely where you can go. I'll whole video. There's videos. There's lots of videos of it. Look at that. Hey, we're happy all. So like I say, we're not blitzing it, mate. Blitzing for a bit. We're going to be flying. You need another picture? Alex likes doing his old pictures, bruv. Well, get a picture of me on my bike. Got to come over here. I want it from the front, bruv. What? I want it from the front. With all the gear on, I look like an idiot.
Alright, YouTuber.
No, yeah. To put my visor down, I'm a YouTuber, bruh. This could be for my channel, for my Insta and all that. Ah!
Not do that.
What that?
Wait, that was fun. I'll do it again. Okay. So come closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, we're fucking interrupting the hikers.
We are, yeah.
We go on the way.
What, you going to have a conversation with them? No, let's go before they get past.
Huh?
Let's go before they come past.
Run off.
Yeah. Oh, quick run! Run! The hikers are coming! Go!
So weird.
Oh, go, bruv! Go! Oh, they're getting close! This is like a police chase, but hiker chase.
Working.
Oh, you're stuck now, mate. Hiker's gonna get you. Oh. Cool, he's going as fast as me. Nah, I'll be alright. I'm trying to get it into neutral. And then I can kick it as I'm going down the hill. But it's not going into neutral. It is in.
We get the speed up, clutch out.
Why ain't it going into neutral? There we go. I'll kick it as I'm going. I know. It didn't want to go. I'm not stopping my bike again now, Alex, mate. You got no chance. Now Alex is stuck. We'll catch up. We're just rolling, 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 rolling down the river. There he is. Guys, what a video, eh? What a video. Away! Yeah.
You know, public right away, no vehicle.
Yeah, you beautiful people. Like I said, this is your part. Can't you ride break? Granny big horse over there running away. Massive horse. Look at this little kid though. Hello. Hi. Don't be scared. He's not scared of anything. Pretty falling down. Might fly in my mouth. I'm paranoid that my bike isn't going to make it. But we're getting a video for you. So I need to get a video. No matter what. I've got work at 3 in the morning. I'm probably going to make it home. This is a fire over here. Fine. Mike, be normal. Look, who fire? Which way now?
I don't know where that comes out down there. We'll go down there and go down that driveway.
Yeah.
Comes down your east.
Yeah, you beautiful people. So, nice long video today. The bottom of Huh? Yeah, I don't really want to stop, Bob. I hate keep on stopping the side of my bike. Yeah, you beautiful people. So we're sitting in the middle of a farm right now.
This comes out near a fucking post office and that.
So we'll go that way then?
Yeah.
And then end the video?
Yeah. And then get back onto that, and then that'll take us home.
Yeah.
So go down here. Just go down here and follow it to the left.
Yeah. Yeah, you beautiful people. So like I say, we're just nipping around. Like I say, I don't want to keep on stopping and starting. It's annoying. These buildings are old, man. Old buildings. What is this place? Is it a church? No. Don't know. That's bumper car, the right one wanting to start. You do not want to die out here, mate, in the middle of nowhere. Look at this little store. That's cute. Hey, yeah, watch out for frogs! Watch out for frogs! Should take a left or take a right, I don't know.
That's quite cool, isn't it? Down there.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, it's great. Mental on mango. Mental, totally. We love it. I think this is the end of it. Look at this spot. That one's fucking rough. So yeah, I hope you like the old videos. I hope you enjoy the old adventures and the journeys. Like I said, I'll be bringing you a lot more. Sorry if you can hear me. That ain't now, boy. Oh, where? Oh, where? I thought you got to be richer than around the corner. Oh, no. I keep on saying shit. Oh, Daddy, didn't really me. Oh, that bump! Oh. Right, we're going to end the video here. Yeah, know where we are now. Right, how about it wants to pull over, please?
There we go.
And there we go! And there we go! And there we go! I'm a fucking idiot.
That lane's good, bro.
That is a good lane, bruv, isn't it? We basically went all around this fucking thing and in here. But there's some sheep over here. Should we end the video with the sheep? We ain't gonna see them. Yeah, so yeah, you go, you beautiful people. Like I say, like and subscribe. Sorry if I weren't talking loads in that video. Bike doesn't look that dirty, to be honest. I got quite alright over it. It's very dry. It's been sunny and nice. So, like I say, I appreciate the videos and that. And I appreciate all the comments when you comment. That's a beautiful car. Plenty more videos to come. So like and Old Coach Road. So like. Old Coach Road. Huh?
Loads of juice to get me home.
Yeah. Right, Old Coach Road. Like and subscribe. Peace out and ride safe.